Hi, I'm Guy. And day before we go on holiday till next year, I put together this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. Is Google My Business really free? Yes, it is. The Google My Business profile is a free business listing from Google, and you'll show up in maps and all kinds of places. So you want to put in your location, your services, your products, and get this free profile up to date. I've got the link in the Google document. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, there's a link in there about this episode, and it tells you how to add and claim your business profile in Google, the best ways to update it. And then as I was putting it together, it says, one of the things I didn't like about it was the categories of businesses they say you belong to. And the closest one I could get was internet marketing service. And I said, well, I'm a little bit bigger wrench in the toolbox than that. So I put together a little bit of research on how to add keywords to the business description to better define what it is that you do or what service you provide. And so I want you to take a look at that. I'll talk to you next year. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.